infinite limits. Infinite limits. So now you want to go on to infinite limits. So here you have two situations. You know the limit of this one is there is no limit when the graph comes in, because as the graph gets closer to a smaller number, the number that it just keeps getting random, a big random number gets bigger and bigger, but numbers aren't. The difference between this, which is no limit, and this is that the graph tends to get bigger and bigger as you get closer and closer to 2. I mean, it starts at -6, -30, -300, -3000, and on this side it also gets bigger and bigger. It starts at 630, 300, 3000. So the y value is getting bigger and bigger, but they're getting bigger to a certain amount by every 1,100. See, you can get closer by 100, 3,000, 3,300, 3,000, 3,000. You see, you're getting closer by. So the difference between this and this one is negative here, and this one is positive. This one is all positive. So this graph would look something like this, where as it approaches 3 on both sides, the graph goes up and then the graph goes down. So here the graph is getting bigger and bigger by a certain amount. So in this case, it's not no limit, but it's the limit is infinite. Like as you get to this point, the limit gets infinite. So you write this graph as the limit as x approaches 2 is 3 over x minus 2 is equal to infinite. Negative and positive infinite. And x approaches positive 2, it's infinite. So this is for the right hand side. You write it this way. When it approaches from the left, it's going to be negative infinite, and when it approaches from the right, the limit x approaches to the right, if 3 over x minus 2 is positive infinity. So the graph has a limit at this point, but it's getting, because the graph comes in at this point itself. Here the other one, the graph doesn't reach this point. So the graph actually makes like this. The graph actually goes like this, where there's a point here, but they don't touch, but they over 3. So they come close, and it's just like having this. This has a limit, even though the graph doesn't touch, because they come close to each other. Unlike this graph, where they're far apart from each other, they just keep going straight and straight up. Here they're close to each other, but they're going in opposite direction, up and down. So in this graph now, this is, if you work this out, the number gets, as they get closer and closer to 1 on the x value, the number just keeps getting bigger by a same amount. Like if this is 100, if this is 10, this would be 100, this would be 1,000, and this would be, means that the limit just keep getting infinitely big, but it's the same. So that'll be the limit as x approaches 1 for 1 over x minus 1 squared is equal to, because they're both positive, they're both going this way, would be infinite. And that's number A. Number B, we have something like this, where the graph is going this way and they're going this way, and you have an isotope here. See, the limit of the x approaches 1 for -1 over x minus 1. The graph is going down this way, increasing by a certain amount, and increasing by a certain amount this way. So the graph would be infinite in positive and negative direction. So limit of x positive, infinite. From the negative side, it will be infinite. You see, it's come from negative side, but it's on the positive, so it's positively infinite. when the limit is coming from the, so you have to be careful. One from the positive side, it's coming from the positive side from here. Positive side, positive numbers. 4 minus 1 over x minus 1. The infinity is negative infinity. Let's go on to vertical isotopes. So for vertical isotopes,